So I'm going to show you how to change or how to flush your electric hot water heater, which is this right here. And in order to do so, the first thing we want to do is turn off the electric, because it's an electric hot water heater. I'm just going to come in here to my hot water heater, 1012, 1012, right here. I'm going to turn that off. If we don't turn it off, when we drain the hot water tank, it's going to want to kick on again, and it'll burn out your tank, and you're screwed. So once you turn that off, you just come over here. You're going to hook up your hose to the bottom. I only need it finger tight. Don't need any wrenches. But you'll notice right here, this is the nozzle. It has a slit. You can easily put in a flathead screwdriver right here to open it. But before we do, we need to turn off the water main. This is coming from outside. And then I have this water softener, water purification system. The main line actually comes into this, then goes into this, so that mostly clear, clean water goes in here. The problem is, even with a state-of-the-art system like this, you have to flush this once a year. So what we're going to do is we're going to turn the water off. We want the water to drain down. You'll see I got the hose here. I'm going to drag this out just a little bit. Well, quite a bit, actually. So I got the hose stretched out. Thank God this is in our garage. What I'm going to do is, with the water off, I'm going to open up the valve. What you want to do is you want to let this drain, and I'll show you. The hose will continue to drain once the pressure goes down. You'll come in here in your garage, right? Or to your heater. You'll open the valve, letting water flush through. As the water pushes out, you'll see sediments come out. Okay, so we're going to open this for now. And it only turns like a quarter of the way. And you get some water there. I can just tighten it a bit. Ugh. Don't worry about that. And then over here, it's pushing through the system. So I have the cold water on. Look at all this shit coming out of the tank. All of that sediment is in our tank right now. I'm going to have to flush the hell out of this thing. That's terrifying. You want to come in here, and I can see it's slowing down. So I'm going to push it up, open the handle again, and it's going to push it out nice and hard because it's filling up the tank. Then you just shut it off. You come out here again. Keep watching your hose until it comes out clear, which it's clear, and it's going to be hot water because you're emptying the tank, but it's all clear. And that's it. If you see a lot coming out, you want to do it a couple of times, maybe 3 or 4 times. So for now, I'm going to shut this off again. Oh, I'm sorry, I opened it. It's off. What we're going to do is we're going to close this off again. Done. I'm going to take the hose off because nothing else is going to come out. And then you can open the water again. It'll fill up the tank. And that's it. You do this once a year. You get all that crap out of your tank. It preserves and protects the tank. And that's it. I had not done it in my entire life in all the homes I've had. And I can only imagine why these things go bad so fast. So, hope that was helpful. If you like it, hit the like and subscribe button. Until then, we'll see you later.